Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. A rather chilly, greyish day here in Blackpool today. I just thought we'd come have a look at the sea. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Look how beautiful this is looking. I just thought we'd stand here for a couple of minutes and just appreciate this. I'll add it to the Sounds of the Sea playlist. Look at that tower over there. Central Pier. That sky though. All those clouds. It's cold, it's not raining, but it is cold. But yeah, look at that. Stunning. I think we'll leave that one there, but isn't that absolutely beautiful? Absolutely stunning. So I've got the old Yates's Wine Lodge there over the road. Yates's South Shore. Still empty. Still nobody has taken that one on. Does make you wonder if anyone is ever going to. I suppose they might at some point. I've heard nothing about it so far as anything that might be happening. And of course, Mother Hubbard's famous fish and chips. And you've got Rock City just over there, where in season you can actually watch rock being made. It's really cool. I'll have to do that one day. Right, we're going to wrap that one up there, guys, anyway. That was more about a quick look at the sea itself than anything else. So until the next one, catch you all later, folks.